Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to another Tuck Notes beginner stock talk and crypto talk. I just came across some amazing news, pretty fascinating, kind of along the lines of what I was saying the other night on the video that I made by myself based off of my thoughts, but also of looking at another YouTuber. So today I'm going to talk about the 3 top crypto stocks to be on the lookout for coming up soon. More likely towards the end of the month or the beginning of the next month. Historically, towards the end of the May, there's a general trend to the downside, so be on the lookout for that. My name's Tucker and this is my channel. It's for beginners, stock investors like me. I started less than a year ago. I started this channel in October, so you know, I'm new, just like all of my subscribers are. Or I don't know if they are. I'm sorry. I don't want to put words in other people's mouths, but people seem to be happy. So welcome if you're new. If you're not, well, I mean, welcome if you're new, and if you're not new, welcome anyway. So, all right. What I'm going to go into is the first is the 3 cryptocurrency coins and where we can see them going in the future, whether they're going to go up or whether they're going to go down, and what figures are going to be it. And then I'm going to talk to you about some news that came out yesterday about a very, very good stock that a lot of you have heard of, and I don't want to spoil that. I'll wait. Otherwise, you'll just bounce on my video, and I know how that goes. So, anyways, I love you guys. I really do. Dogecoin is up 20% right now. It's I haven't checked it. Well, I can check it right now. Let me tell you what it's at right now. At the time of the film of the recording, it was 36 cents. Dogecoin now that I'm looking at it, and it's 1:30 in the morning, it's 35 cents. So it's going down. It's in the red, which is great for everybody. And it's been having 40 to 50% corrections in the last couple weeks. We've been going through that through Bitcoin. Like I told you in my thoughts talk video, and I said how I felt like they're all correlated off of the base of the Bitcoin value. Well, that's kind of what it is, and that's what I was going at. You see everything else tank too. It's not just like one stock. It's not like just the banking section just does great and then the energy sector doesn't do good. It's like everything plummets. So if you're gonna plummet, you might as well be with the good plummeters, because they're gonna be the best bounce backers. I hope you got that. So there's a lot of, so check it out. There's massive dip. Doge yesterday, it bounced down to 20 cents. Today, it bounced today. This is meaning Monday. It bounced to 20 cents again, and then it recovered at 36 cents. But we're seeing it kind of touch down a lot to 30 cents or in the 20s, which is great for setting up limit price. What is it called? Limit buy price. It's the only way to go for me. And so we're in a dip. and there's new developing news with Dogecoin coming out, and Elon Musk is saying, hey guys, submit your thoughts and ideas to it's called github.com probably, or just Google GITHUB, and if basically he's suggesting, because the deal is with this transaction fee, and that's the biggest problem for a lot of people, especially if you think about people that are doing Dogecoin, and people that, let's just say everybody, come on, like, I don't know if you're going to get in the tax brackets in the future or not, but who knows? You never know. But like, that's the people's money. That's for like the average day guy, that puts his money in, and we've just been blessed to have this guy in our life, Elon Musk, doing his best to try to do this. And so he's working with these 4 or 5 people that own Dogecoin company, and he also is working with Bitcoin. Remember we heard Musk said, no, I'm out of Bitcoin because of blah 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 and blah 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 to the earth. Well, there's been a recent tweet of him saying something, and it's kind of deep tweet, and I didn't write it down, but it talked about him coming up with the potential maybe solution with the North American miners. I don't know who they are, but they're probably a group of people that have a lot of money and control a lot of things. I don't know. And so he's working at it from all different angles. And then, so Bitcoin, I told you, latest news, yeah, I wasn't accepting it. The tweet about that. So Bitcoin's at $38,000. It's actually, yeah, it's still at 38. It has only changed $30 going down, which is awesome. It's 50% down, by the way. Bitcoin is almost down 50%. If you want to put things in perspective, which helps me. So our next critical price point for Bitcoin would be $40,000. I hope not. Sorry guys, but I want to get in on it too. I want everybody that's watching this video to get in on this, because this is your long-term value asset that you do not sell. You hold on to it and forget about it, and do not look at it again for a long time, and regardless, no matter what the news says. Believe me, it's hard for me too. But if it doesn't, it could go down. It's been bouncing down to 30,000. It hit 29. That was the lowest it got. And that was like, I remember with Tesla when it got to 563, and I was like, whoa, and then it shot back up. Well, it's been shooting back up to 38. But the 38s are going to be low 38s, and then they'll be 37s. And, if we continue getting more negative news about cryptocurrency and things going on, like there's problems in China, there's problems in America, with this mining thing and controlling the world, or not controlling the world, but trying to help the world become a better place. And so I wrote this down, and this is what the guy that I get, that we listen to and get our information from, and he said, or she said, it's really important to focus on the solid coins that will be around for the long-term potential. That's Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Dogecoin. The meme coins can go away. Why? Because people can start pulling out. I told one of my friends, Casey might be watching this video, I don't know, but a lot of these meme coins, you got to be super careful, because they'll say, oh, it's like, you know, like barely of a, not even a, I don't know what you'd call less than a cent, but you know where I'm going. And then you just see this like 300% boom or whatever. Like, there's a person that holds a purse of a lot of coins in like Shiba or what's the other one? I don't know, but that's the key. That's the thing. If one of those guys sells their coins, that stock's gonna just shoot down. So the value, you'd like want to think, like I said, a value like Tesla's. You know me with Tesla is my valued stock. That's my stock. I love it. Don't take it away from me. And like, that's how like these Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Doge, they are valued stocks. They've got a lot of attention. Now, if we focus on Ethereum for a second, Ethereum was at 26.34. Now it's at 26.22. It hit an all-time high of 43. I told you a story about this. If you watched it, I told you my personal story too about how I made it, but I had to get pushed a lot by someone, and it helped out a lot. But we could see the next key price point being $2,000 or $2,500 for Ethereum. We're still in a downward trend. There still needs to be a lot of institutional buying coming in. There still needs to be, just people, holding these coins. Ethereum flips a lot. Like it's had crazy run-ups these last couple of days, and rundowns. If it's 2,000, the next one would be 1,500 or maybe $1,300 a coin. That's based off of what my person told me. Okay, I believe this guy, and so that's a great deal. If you can see it or find and get Ethereum at $1,500, that's back to like way before it got blown up. I'm not doing a good job explaining that point, but when it was at $1,500. And so that's the worst case scenario in my situation and in anyone else's situation, best case scenario. So stay liquid, have money liquid, because the crash is going to crash all of your money and take it. It's already taken on mine when I had it at 60, and now it's half the value of what I put in, so there you go with that. Now I'm going to announce to you, oh my god, it's still 8 minutes. Oh, it's 14 minutes. We got a stock split coming up, and that's NVIDIA. NVIDIA will be doing a stock split. They announced this on yesterday. NVIDIA is $6.24.48 right now. The stock split happened at $588. That's when it came out, and it's been going up since then. The short-term price we could see it going to is to $6.48. It has this earnings reports coming out on Wednesday this week in the afternoon, so be sure to be on the lookout for that. Or if you want to get in on the rally, remember, like Tesla rallied up until Wednesday. Well, tomorrow's Tuesday. You could buy it and then sell it tomorrow after the earnings report. and you know, based on whether it goes up or down, at least during the game. And we don't know when the date is of the split, so that could happen maybe that day. I don't know, but it's coming really soon. So I hope you like this video. If you liked it, push the like button or not. You can follow me on YouTube at Tuck Notes and on Instagram at TuckerMLO. Check out my blog, #TucksBlog. I love you guys and have a great night. Bye.